Hello guys, welcome to my channel Budget Bills. First of all, Happy New Year to all my subscribers and viewers. Hope you support my YouTube journey. In this part 2 video, we are going to solve all the mechanical problems in the project Civic. कैसा आप मैकेनिकल प्रॉब्लम्स को एड्रेस करके और कैसा आप कम रेट में क्वालिटी वर्क करा सकते हैं आपके प्रोजेक्ट कार को हम आपको सिखाने वाले हैं. So whoever don't know, this is my Honda Civic 2007 model manual variant car, which I brought it for scrap rate of rupees 50,000. After completing the part 1 video, my project car had got into a major accident. So coming to the main part of the video, where you all guys are waiting for, my car has a very big issue with the power steering rack. The clutch plates were worn out, the lower arm bushings were worn out, the gearbox main oil seal was leaking, a bunch of new brake pads, gear oil, engine oil have been added to the car.
24 hours later.
On the second day, as you can see, all the parts are being assembled to the car. So this is how I have been repaired my product Civic at a very reasonable price. So let's see the price breakdown of the parts. The clutch kit costed me 8,000. Bushings are of 1250 rupees. Link rods 1200. The gear oil costed me rupees 1000, which is of 3 liters. The main oil seal plus gearbox oil seal costed me 1300 rupees. The brake pads costed me 1500 rupees. The power steering rack, which I have been repaired for 3500 rupees. And the radiator fan assembly, which I bought used for 1700 rupees. And service and labor costed me 5000 rupees, which comes a grand total of rupees 19,000. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope my content gives you some knowledge. Make sure to subscribe my channel Budget Bills for regular updates. Part 3 is going to be on body kit installation and denting. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.